The cabin air filter in 2020-2022 Ford Explorers traps dust, pollen, mold spores, exhaust fumes, and other airborne particles, preventing them from entering the vehicle's cabin. Regularly replacing this filter is essential for maintaining good air quality inside your car, preventing odors, and ensuring optimal performance of your vehicle's heating and air conditioning system. The cabin air filter in 2020-2022 Ford Explorers is located behind the passenger side glove box. A clogged filter can lead to reduced airflow, musty smells, and decreased HVAC efficiency. Ford recommends checking every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, depending on driving conditions. Replacing the cabin air filter is a straightforward DIY task. First, ensure the vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off. Open the glove box fully. Locate and depress the glove box stops, which are tabs or levers on the sides, to release it from its hinges. Gently lower the glove box, removing any retaining screws or clips if present. Remove the plastic cover over the filter housing. Pull out the old filter, noting the airflow arrow pointing toward the cabin. Insert the new filter in the same orientation. Reassemble the cover, glove box, and any panels. Test the HVAC system for proper airflow. You'll need a basic screwdriver, flashlight, and possibly a trim tool. Replacement filters typically cost $15 to $30. Remember to check the filter regularly, especially if you drive in dusty or polluted environments.